Hello everyone, this is a short video on how I draw support and resistance on higher time frame and lower time frame. So first I'd like to grab the rectangle and look for a rejection that indicates a resistance. What I see right now, I see that price rejected this area, which means there's a resistance right here. Take the rectangle and I drag it out as much as I can to see what's been happening in the past few hours or few days. Now I go on and draw support. You want to look at a bullish candle that went to the resistance that we drew. So what I see right now, I see a support made in this area. And also when a price breaks the support, becomes a resistance. As we see right here before, it was rejecting this resistance right here. And then it broke out the resistance. Eventually, I think made a fake out on the higher time frame. Right here. And went back in the range. So this is how you draw support and resistance. I hope this video has helped. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please share this video and give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. Thank you.